Hey there, it's Mike Curry from Genesis Halifax, and I just wanted to give a quick rundown on our flagship vehicle, which is the Genesis G90 2020 all-new redesign. So let's take a little quick walk around here. And if we go around here, one thing you'll notice, this does have a 5-liter V8 engine, which is pretty rare in our to find in many vehicles right now. So I'm just gonna close the hood there, and if we take a walk around, you know, you can see how the headlights are shaped. It's got the kind of retro styling wheels on it, which I think are really awesome and add to it. The vehicle itself, inside the interior and the materials that they use, from the quilted Napa leather to, you'll see all around throughout this vehicle, just the materials on the steering wheel, the stitched dashboard, the wood grain, everything is all like amazing materials in this car. And I just want you to see how the controls work. And this is just more of a quick perusal. The back, you can see it's got huge doors on it, which makes it very comfortable for your backseat passengers, as well as they have full control electronically of not only the stereo up front, but of their back seats right back here. As you can see, they have all the buttons here for controlling that, and heating and cooling, reclining the back seats, all that sort of stuff. Nice little compartment here, lots of places to plug in electronics. That folds up if you do want three passengers back there. And as we go back around, as you can see, huge trunk space with a pass-through and all around there, and electronic, of course, to close that up. Just take a look back here at the gorgeous rear of this vehicle. And then just to finish it off, I just want to finish walking around here and close the doors up for you. Just take a quick look at the inside back here, and just kind of pan out and just show you this really gorgeous vehicle. So if you're interested, Genesis Halifax, we have one in stock right now, which is a demonstrator model, as you can see. And just give us a shout and we'd be happy to bring this to you, because as you know, with Genesis, one of their exclusive things that we offer is we come to you, not only just for the test drive, also after sales. So you get 5 years or 100,000 kilometers of full concierge service, where we'll bring you a Genesis while your vehicle is in for service. Come pick it up at your home, work, wherever you are. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you.